Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis with CinemaSound.com. Today we're going to be looking at the Podcaster Essentials Package from AKG, which is going to give us everything we need to be able to get set up and running with a podcaster recording, microphone, etc. Doing a little open boxing. Let's roll. All right, here we are with the Podcaster Essentials. It's a big box of all kinds of things. Big box, pretty pictures, as well as all of the aspects and things that we need to know about in terms of its capabilities. First of all, the Lyra is an amazing microphone that's USB, does 192 kilohertz, 24-bit recording, which is really, really important for getting great sound, and multipolar pattern, stereo, figure eight, surround, all kinds of great stuff. Let's see what else is inside this box. So I have not actually opened this up yet. It's been sitting in my studio for days until we've been able to get ready to do this. So here we go. Pop this open. Now, if it's anything like the Lyra box, it's packed full of stuff. What do we got here? This, recorded with AKG. What does this say? Oh, they want you to share with them what you think. Yay. Okay, so got this. Here is how you would plug it in, which is pretty simple. Plug your USB connector to your computer and your headphones into that. And what it comes with is one free Berklee online course, Learn Music with Berklee Online. And then here, be careful with this. Interesting. It's like a TRS 3.5 millimeter cable to a split out. Cool. Pull this out of here. And this is from Harman. This is the K371 headphones. So I'm going to drop this here, which we love. We have a review of them on CinemaSound.com. Which is a very favorable review. We love these things. These are, do this side. These are great for being on set. They have a little high frequency boost to them. I won't spoil the review for you, but these are great. We recommend them for tracking or recording, etc. Oh, there's these little bits of tape. I actually like these little circle tape thingies. You know, obviously they're great for removing theft in stores, although I don't know how many people are buying these in stores anymore. And now that I've cut my fingernails, this is going to be really fun to get off of here. Back to you in a moment. Wow. Oh, they really don't want you to get into these. Wow. Impossible. Wow. There's another one. All right, that took about 5 minutes to get this tape off of here. It was intense tape. All right, now we got this open. Open this up. What's in here? Beautifully packaged. Now, what's interesting about the 371s is they come with all kinds of cableage. So we're going to open this up. So, the styrofoam. And you're like, well, where's the cables? Yeah, well, one of the nice things about the 371s is that they're detachable. So you don't mess up your headphones. Cool little obelisk. So you don't mess up your headphones when you yank on them on accident and forget they're plugged in and stand up. 3.5 millimeter to 1/4 inch adapter. So it's probably hard to see now that everything's black in here. Pull this out. Beautiful instruction manual, warnings, and the bag. In the bag. Awesome. Inside. Now, I haven't opened this one up before, but I have opened up a pair. That's why I kind of know. A pair of 371s. That's why I kind of know what's in here already. This would be, you can see this is sort of that mini XLR looking, even though that's not really what this is. Cable that connects directly into the headphones, as well as, okay, so it's a mini XLR. Looks like a short, a long, to 3.5 millimeter. And then the pigtail, which is that XLR looking thing to 3.5 millimeter, which is great. So there's all your cables for the headphones. Let's look at what else is in the box. Back here to the big box. The only thing that's left in here is the Lyra, which is great. And we previously opened box one of these before, but we've got the tape bits here, which we'll pull off. And if they're anything like the 371s, it should take me about another 5 minutes to do it. All right, now that that's done, we open this up. Oh. congratulations and manual for how to use this, where you plug the headphones into the Lyra, which is kind of a little different than what we might be used to. And then Ableton Live 10 Lite, the warranty card for 2 years. Safety instructions. Now, we learned this the last time, the hard way. This doesn't get yanked out of here. This is actually another layer. I'm going to say last time, the actual Lyra only box. Pull this off like this. And then this whole thing's got to come out because the stand is in here. There we go. Awesome. I'm going to peel it over this way, and there you can see the stand now. And we love this mic because it's multipolar pattern. You can pull it off and have it sit on a microphone stand, because we really never want to have this just sit on a table because you'll just be, entertaining your navel. Your navel doesn't make a lot of noise. And what's on the front here is your, this is the headphone volume out. And then this is your mute. And then polar pattern. And I believe this is mic gain. Yes. And we discovered that to pull this off so you can mount this on a microphone stand is simply just unscrewing this bit here, and it happily fits on the stand. So this, mixed with your headphones, you're good to go. Now, why do we use this? What's this for? Well, this is if you need to have two people listen at the same time, because this does do front and back. If you wanted to have two people on the same microphone at the same time, how would they listen on headphones? We always want to use over-ear headphones so we can hear what we're doing. Put this on, plug it in, like so. 2 headphone output for yourself and your guest. Hopefully this video has been valuable to you. If so, please subscribe to us here on the Cinema Sound channel, and come visit us at cinemasound.com, where we have thousands and hundreds and thousands, not hundreds of thousands, but hundreds and thousands of videos and articles to help you get that unfair competitive advantage in the multimedia marketplace. And we have a bunch of, if you want to learn more about podcasting, a bunch of stuff on education on how to make your podcast sound great, how to edit them, etc. at the Cinema Sound store. Until then, we'll see you on the podcast studio.
Even if you for yourself.